Here's a quick look at the market through the eyes of E-mini day trader. We had our 26 to 27 area tested overnight. You can see it dipped just a hair below 26. 26 to 27 area, this is the area we anticipated as support. It did hold overnight. You can see most of the volume was above it. And then this is our regular trading hours open today with a good move higher. By the way, we're looking at market profiles with volume shaded in behind. This is what occurred overnight. We always like to take our longer term perspective from the market profiles. This is the profile from Friday, and this is the one that occurred today. So we always like to take a look at these to see where best our support and resistance are, and to get a good sense of the intraday directional bias in the auction. And so we had the support hold nicely and had a good rally up today, so we're able to take advantage of some long trades as a result. We'll move over here to these are the individual daily profiles with the corresponding volume. In this case, just shifted it off to the side here. So here's today's volume profile, here's today's market profile. We also use these to gain a little bit better day-to-day idea of what we think is going on in the market. We had 3 trades today, all on the long side. We got into a long trade right in here and a bit of a pullback. It did move up 1.5 on us and then come back and stop out the second half of the position at break even. We were not filled at plus 1.5 on that one on 1/4 of our position. We like to exit 1/2 of our position at just 3/4 of a point, and so we were able to take profits on half of our position at that with those profits on that trade. We then got into another long trade in here. It bounced for us, came back, and then had a nice rally up of some 3 3/4 points. So able to take 1 3/4 on the final partial on that, 3/4 of a point on the first 2 contracts, or half position, 1.5 on the on 1/4 of the position, and 1 3/4 points on the final fourth of position on that trade. When the market came up and rallied again, we got long one more time in here. We held it for 10 minutes and we were at break even. So a conservative way to trade that would be just to exit that trade at break even. Some of our traders who've been with us a bit longer may have chosen to hold that. Even some of them may not have chosen to hold it. But there was certainly structural evidence that made sense to hold it. But at any rate, we're looking at the market continuing this up auction. We've got support now from approximately I think it's from about 42 to about 39. Yeah, and if that should not hold, then if it can get below about 39 or so, then it's likely to come back a bit and probably test in around 35, 36. But we're still considering this to be an up auction and looking to try and capitalize on that with trades from the long side. So. That'll be a quick look at the market for today. Of course, on our members website, we do about a 20-minute video each night. This is just a small synopsis of that. Not as many charts, not as much detail. But please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com if you've got any questions or comments. We'd love to hear from you. So thanks for viewing this, and that'll be it for Monday, September the 14th, 2009.